What a scorching hot day, and it feels so good na nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng train and experiencing the coolness of the temperature. Anyway, for today, I'm gonna share you yung kanilang toilet dito kahit long trip, short trip, pati yung stomach, my bad trip. Hindi magiging problema. You just have to push the green button at makikita mo kung gaano lang naman kalawak, di ba? Kasya 5. So pag red, it's gonna close. I've been living here for more than a decade, but I have never seen a toilet na hindi malinis. And I agree na people here are well-disciplined and they're very considerate, not only dun sa susunod na gagamit, kung hindi dun din sa araw-araw na naglilinis nito. Here, I'm just trying to show you that once you lock it, kahit na pindutin nyo pa yung hiraku, hindi yan magbubukas unless i-unlock nyo ulit. Tapos pag pindot nyo ng hiraku, there you go. Magic, bubuksan. So tingin ulit tayo. 'Di ba? Kasya 5. Parang kasya nga 7 eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.